up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little today, but I'm feeling a little today. So sooner than later, I'll probably be able to explain exactly why I feel like this. However, we're not gonna talk about that right now. So this video is gonna be about the new Ivy box that just came out. This is the May box, and this is what the box looks like. Just first things first, the box has changed from the previous box. So this is the one from I want to say April. As you can see, first off, in size it's changed. It's smaller, and the logo has changed on the front. So it used to have the shield on the front cover with the ivies surrounding it. Now it's the design from like the lapel pin and all the other materials they have. So that's the first thing that I noticed. The box did change. So I'm wondering what's in here, since it is smaller and it is it's pretty lightweight if you ask me. So on the inside, everything is still the same with the new stuff, as far as the green background with the words and stuff goes. Paper's still the same. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so all right, so the first thing that I saw was this May theme Ivy box card, and basically it says, "I'll just say yes." So what's in the box is a gorgeous green 20 pearls blouse, a pretty pink lace tie socks pair, I guess, and an AKA pearl necklace. So it says, "Self-care is not selfish or self-indulgent. We cannot nurture others from a dry well. We need to take care of our own needs first so that we can give from our surplus or abundance. When we nurture others from a place of fullness, we feel renewed. Compassion for others starts with kindness to ourselves. Wear these items and make sure when you say yes to others, you're not saying no to yourself." It's cute. So then I also see, Boulé is going to be here in Houston next month. Is that next month? Yeah, dang. As you know, if you follow my channel, or if you just know about AKAs in general, our Boulé is going to be here in Houston next month. So if you're there, I will be there certain days. So if you see me, come up, talk to me. Hey, what's up? Let's talk. Let's holla. And so the Boulé box has 7 different items. It says for subscribers, it's $75. However, yeah, shorty like me, I ain't got it. So I'm gonna admire that box from afar. Let's go ahead and get into this one. So the first item that I see is the necklace. It's the AKA pearl necklace. So it appears that it wraps around a few times and it can be quite long, but this is cute. And right here it just says AKA, and on this other side it has a tea rose. I'm assuming it's a tea rose. And then it just has like this hanging from it, which is pretty cute. So it's silver. I like that. The next thing that I see in this box is a pair of socks, which kind of got me a little confused, a little bit sore. So okay, so these are the socks. These are kind of interesting. Let me see how this works. I have on socks right now, y'all. I've been on this exercise kick, and yeah. So this is what it looks like, and I'm guessing the little tie-up part goes like around here or something. I don't know. I'll figure that out eventually. But yeah, these are cute. Just some socks. And this is what the tie-up part looks like. So it does have like a felt type of material on this side, and this side is just bare ribbon. So it's cute. It's cool. It's different. And lastly, we do have this green. This is really cute. I like this color green. Just a blouse, and it has like a little tie-up part at the front up here. So this is cute. So I think it's a really nice shirt for what it's worth. I think this shirt will be better worn, of course, first off, because of the sleeves. I can't do sleeves like this in the summer. Not in Houston, Texas, baby, no, because they usually asking for a heat stroke. But I think that once it cools down, it's definitely going to be a great shirt to wear. So that's it. This box is pretty much simple. It's, 3 little items that are still pretty much really decent for what it's worth. I do notice that a little bit on this, I'm not sure if you'll actually be able to see it, but some of the detailing, like, it's messed up on the slightest, but I mean, that is something that is kind of noticeable to me just looking at it. But it's really, it's no big deal. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse than that. But yeah, we shall see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe down below. Let me know which item you like the most as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.